Hi everyone, welcome back to Liberty Park Music. Today we'll be learning a fretting technique on your left hand, which is something that was made popular by Jimi Hendrix, and it's basically just fretting a note with the thumb on your left hand. As usual, if you have any questions about any of the following sections in this lesson, please just reach out to us and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, let's jump right in. The key benefit of using your thumb to fret the note on the 6th string is that you will have an extra finger to play embellishments. So for example, when I'm playing this major shape instead of this major bar chord, notice how my pinky is now free to add on this kind of embellishments like this. Even for the minor bar chord. Compared to your regular minor bar chord. And some people also find it that it's easier to play with the thumb, and it results in less fatigue in your fretting hand compared to playing bar chords throughout the entire song. And this is including myself. I much prefer playing my bar chords with my thumb instead of using the regular bar chord shapes.